Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful earring. Please watch the video till the end. First, I took a small size safety pin and added 5 different colored seed beads. I'm using total 16 pieces safety pins to make this earring and added seed beads in the same way. Insert the safety pins one by one in a jump ring and then use nose plus to tighten it. To see when the earring is making complete, it looks very beautiful. This time we will use jewellery making wire and 6 mm pearls. We will insert the jewellery making wire from the top of the safety pins and continue to add 1 6 mm pearls in the middle of each safety pins. We will use 1 10 mm pearls and jhumka caps on both sides with the help of eye pins. We will use 2 eye pins and 2 8 mm pearls. We will add an ear hook above the jhumka earring. It's nice to make with the help of safety pins. Please like our video, comment how you like this video, subscribe to your YouTube channel Diyartiepie. make this jhumka earring look more beautiful, we will add 3 balls with eye pins. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment how you like it.